Today we will be cooking chili liver pot fry. This is the most easiest recipe you can learn Turkey. This is the most tasty and good starter food. It takes very less time to cook and is super delicious. With high cholesterol, prefer cook it once in a while. Start mix turmeric, red chili powder, black pepper powder, jeera powder, garam masala, chicken masala. Add some mustard oil and mix it well for 3 minutes. Leave the mixture for 10 minutes. Start add oil to heat pan with a brush. Then slowly add seal pieces of liver pota to the pan. Arrange properly so that all pieces are placed at a time. Leave the pan on a medium flame so that sufficient oil will come out of the mixture. Slowly stir the mixture so that it's cooked properly and the taste is heaven. Do not panic, hurry and wait for proper cooked food. I guarantee awesome taste if you follow the procedure step by step. Cook at least for 25 minutes, don't skip. While cooking, check the tenderness of liver pota pieces by press it properly to avoid any uncooked complications. Add raw onions and tomatoes in the last minute. Fry well and your dinner is ready. Have a good food. Please like and subscribe. Please support us with a like button and motivate us. Thank you so much.